Friday recipe is protein scones. Now what you're going to need for this tasty recipe is 1 scoop of the Happy Way vegan vanilla protein powder. I've got 2.5 cups here of self-raising flour. I'll be using 80 grams of salt reduced butter in this one, and I've got about 1.25 cups of almond milk. Now to make this one, it's really easy. What you need to do is sift your flour and your protein powder into a bowl, and then add in your butter and use your fingertips to rub that into the flour mixture to make a breadcrumb consistency. So once you've got your breadcrumb consistency, make a little well in the center and start to pour in your milk. Fold that through until you get a nice doughy mixture, and then pop that onto a floured surface onto your bench top and knead that through. You're then going to roll out your dough until it's about 2 centimeters thick and use a cookie cutter to make little rounds, and then we're going to pop that into a lined baking tray and pop that into the oven that's been preheating at 200 degrees Celsius for about 20 to 25 minutes until they are risen and are golden. You're then going to want to pop some whipped cream and some jam onto your delicious scones.